Welcome to Lesson 4, where we'll be discussing methods for driving traffic to your landing page. Now there's obviously an endless list of free and paid traffic methods, but for this course we'll be focusing on 2 free methods and 1 paid method. The first method to consider is the forum signature method. Now this is one of the oldest methods of driving traffic, but it still proves to be an incredibly effective one for marketers to this day. Basically, you identify a few online forums for your niche. So if you're in the internet marketing niche, you'll want to try the Warrior Forum, and if you're in the pet reptiles niche, you'll want to check out Herp Center, and so on. Create an account at one or more of these forums. Once you've got a profile set up, go to the account settings area of your forum account, or maybe the rules section, and figure out what the guidelines are for signatures. A signature is basically a little area that appears at the bottom of each and every single post you make within a forum thread. Originally, this was meant for something similar to an email signature. You'd automatically have your name and contact info, maybe preceded by kind regards or something like that, attached to the bottom of your message. These signatures have evolved into more of a self-expression thing. People will often put a famous quote or an image in the signature. As a marketer, you'll want to put a link in there to your squeeze page, preferably an image that is hyperlinked, but at least a text link. Now, depending on the forum, the rules will be different on how and when you can use a forum signature. Some forums allow you to start using as extravagant a signature as you want right away. Others require you to have been a member for a few weeks or to have a certain number of posts or something like that. Sometimes you can start out with a text-only signature and then you're permitted to add an image after you've been around for a while. Figure out what the rules are for the forums you join and just start posting. Become part of the community that you intend to market to. There's one key thing to remember though. Don't post so much that it seems you're just spamming to get your links out there. People will notice that right away and you might get suspended or banned. The other free method to focus on is YouTube marketing. This can be done a few ways. You can either make videos specifically designed to market your free video course, or you can make general informational videos about your niche, and then mention your free video course as a sort of go here to learn more kind of thing. Either way, be sure to put a link to your landing page in your description and consider doing the same as an annotation displayed over the video. These videos can be webcam videos, talking head videos shot with your smartphone, screencast videos, or slideshow style videos. Generally, the more videos you have and the more useful the content, the more traffic you'll get. Be sure to share your videos on social media as well as to invest some time into typing up an SEO-friendly and keyword-rich description. Now, the paid method you may want to consider when you're starting out is solo ads. Solo ad vendors exist for just about every niche out there. But the most common ones are usually ones like the IM niche, the weight loss/fitness niche, and the self-improvement niche. A solo ad vendor is basically someone in one of these niches who has a large list of their own and will send out email to their list promoting your offer or lead magnet and sending those subscribers to your landing page. They basically charge per click specifically for each time someone clicks through their link to go to your squeeze page. Some solo ad vendors will allow you to specify the subject line and message. Others will insist that they word both of those in a way that their list is used to. The quickest and cheapest way to get your feet wet in solo ads is to join Udemy.com and buy a small volume of clicks from a trusted vendor. They have a review and rating system similar to eBay or Fiverr, so you can tell who the serious ones are. However, you want to make sure your leads are high quality, and in the world of solo ads, you really do get what you paid for. So if you're noticing your Udemy-derived leads aren't particularly responsive, try doing a search on Google or even within the Warrior Forum for big-name, independent solo ad vendors. A lot of successful marketers also offer solo ads as a side service, and you'll be able to tell which ones produce high-quality leads based on the testimonials of other marketers. Now, once you've got your feet wet, you should certainly try to branch out into experimenting with other free and paid methods in the realm of social media sharing and pay-per-click ads. Compare your results with all traffic methods and use whatever works for you. So before we close, let's talk about your battle plan. You've seen how easy and quick it can be to accomplish all these necessary steps. Right now, I want you to record a video or buy a PLR video, create an e-cover, set up a simple landing page, and start implementing one of these traffic methods. Don't make the mistake of leaving this video without taking action, or you probably never will. And definitely don't put it off until you've got everything figured out just perfectly. We both know that means you'll never get started. Start implementing these steps immediately, even imperfectly, and start building your list right now.